Hey everybody, my name's Fred and I'm a Mi Creator. I'm going to show you how I make Xiaomi Studios videos with my phone. Before I actually start making a film, I spend a lot of time working out the idea in my notebooks. In this case, I wanted to tell a story of a person stuck at home who gets inspired by his friends. So I asked a ton of people to film themselves doing something cool at home and send it to me. One of my friends made an entire song with sounds in his flat. This suddenly made me aware of all the sounds I make on a daily basis. And that gave me the idea for the video. A big part of planning the shoot is location scouting. I use very little equipment. My tripod, this grip, which allows me to attach a phone to the tripod, and of course my Mi 10 Pro. That should do the trick. I also find it very important to shoot tests. In order to get the highest quality possible, I'll shoot this video in 8K. Exposure verification is an easy tool to see if part of your image is too bright or too dark. And focus peaking is a great tool to set focus. And that's how I set up a shot. I've staged many shots near windows to get a very natural light. I also filmed a lot close to surfaces. So I hope some of you found this information useful. I would love to see what you guys make. In the meantime though, I have to go and shoot. Okay, bye bye.